Here's how to install incompatible apps on Android. Now, if you have an app, maybe an APK file, and you want to be able to install it, but it's not letting you do so, I'll show you how to get around it. But first, if this helps you, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we need to do is get into your settings. So swipe down from the top right, and you can tap on that settings or gear icon. Or you can also just swipe up and find your settings in the app drawer. So I'm just going to open up settings here. And now from your settings, all we're going to do is scroll down until you get to the option for security and privacy and tap on that. And then we'll scroll down and we'll choose the more security settings. It's built within here. So just tap on more security settings. And now if you scroll down a bit, you can see install unknown apps. If you don't see this or this menu doesn't work the same for you, you can just hit the search bar and just search for unknown apps. And you'll be able to see here, install unknown apps. Just tap on that. Now, from here, we need to go into install unknown apps. And we need to turn this on for various apps that we might be installing or at least downloading. So let's say Google Chrome here, and My Files are really important key ones. So let's toggle them on both of these cases. Now, after we've done that, let's hop out of here and we can open up Google Chrome here. And let's say in this case, I'm just going to type in APK for Android and hit go. You'll be able to see a bunch of different options. APK Mirror is a big one, APK Pure. Basically, you can go into any of these various websites and download that APK installation file directly to your phone. After you have downloaded it and you found it, keep in mind you do want to do this from a trusted source. Keep in mind APK Mirror is a trusted source, but if it's just from a random website you've never heard of before, you might want to check Google to see if it is a legitimate APK download site. After you've done that, you can swipe up and go to the Files app or just search for Files and open that up. Now you'll be able to see APK installation at the bottom right. Just tap on that. And now you'll be able to see that APK file that you just downloaded onto your phone. Just click on it or tap on it and it will open it up and it will prompt you to install it onto your Android device. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.